Guys, Justin Ferguson here, product genius at BMW Freeport. I just want to do a quick demo on how to use the parking assistant feature in your brand new BMW. What I want to do is press the parking assistant button. That'll bring up your cameras and also all the sensors. You also want to make sure that the automated parking is checked off. I have a spot over here on the right. I'm going to slowly drive past it. Now the car picked it up. It's right here on the screen, so I'm going to click. That's the spot that I want. You're going to pretty much follow the steps on the screen. It tells you to make sure that your seatbelt is on. Take your foot off the brake and take both hands completely off the steering wheel. So now, as you can see, it's performing the maneuver. Pretty much what you want to do is just observe your surroundings, and you can take over at any point if you feel it's getting maybe too close. But now it's backing in. And that's it. It's completed.